Living and non-living things. We see many things around us. Some are living things and some are non-living things. Living things are different from non-living things. Living things breathe. They need food to live. Living things move on their own. Living things feel. Living things grow. Living things have babies. All plants, animals, and humans are living things. Non-living things do not need food to live. They do not feel, grow, breathe, and move on their own. They do not have babies. Ball, doll, pen, pencil, chair, and house are examples of non-living things. Natural and man-made things. Our world is made up of living and non-living things. The things which we get from nature are called natural things. They are not made by man. Let's know more. Natural things can be living or non-living. All living things are natural things. Soil, rocks, air, and water are natural, non-living things. Things like aeroplane, boat, telephone, fan, clothes, and table are made by man. Such things are called man-made things. All man-made things are non-living. Let's memorize. Living things. Things which breathe, feel, grow, need food, move on their own, and have babies are called living things. Non-living things. Things which do not breathe, do not feel, do not grow, do not need food, do not move on their own, and do not have babies are called non-living things. Natural things. Things which we get from nature are called natural things. Man-made things. Things made by man are called man-made things.